Hello there! In this video I want to tell you about one particular coloring book that makes more than $6,000 each year for its owner. So let's go to Amazon and I will show you this interesting book. As you can see, it's a cute animals coloring book for kids, ages 4 till 8. It has a sticker #1 bestseller in airbrush graphic design category. Costs $8.99, has 106 pages, plus content, and has the bestseller rank 1098. To understand how much money this book gives its owner, let's go to printing cost royalty calculator, choose page count 106, Amazon.com, the price $8.99, top calculate. We see the estimated royalty is 3.24. Now back to this book, let's go to the BSR 1098. Go to this site, BSR sales calculator, type the BSR number, choose book, calculate sales. Sales per month 2057. Now let's calculate it. 7 multiply 3.24. As you can see, this book gives its owner more than $6,664 each month. Now let's go back to our coloring book and see what interior is. The cover, first page, second, test coloring page. So we can see that there are the elephant, some grass, it's cat maybe, yeah, carrot and the fox. So pretty simple design. Let's go to A+ content that I saw on this page. Here we are, hamster, koala. As you can see, it's really pretty easy to make a cute hamster, some donuts, that's all. Koala, tree, and maybe some grass. It's not a problem to create something like this. That's why let's go to the Canva website and I will show you how to create something similar. Now we need to create a design, custom size, choose inches, 8.5, 11, create new design. Here we are, this is our first page. Go to elements and let's find something interesting. So let it be a dog, yeah, a dog. Not dog, dog. Okay, choose the graphics. You can't choose any design you like because not every design you can transfer into black and white one. That's why, as you can see, it's with color and there is no way to turn it into black and white. You can do this, but not for the coloring book. So let's try to do it. Background remove, we don't need it. Filters, see all, street. So as you can see, it's black and white, but there is no way to color this design, so let's delete it. Go and find something like this. Of course it's not cute and I don't even think that some kids wanted to color it. But magic recommendation, go deeper and maybe now we can choose something from this. or this, whatever you like. Let's find some dog house. Here we are. Reduce the size. Dog house a little bit bigger. Let's add some more design. Grass. Graphics, and find something like this. Magic recommendation, go through. Here, let's take this one. Add some more. Yes, it's pretty interesting, but maybe some, I don't know, some ball. Let's see what we can find. Ball. Let's try this one. Pretty okay. So here we are. We have created the first our page, and then, as you can see on this book, it's a cute animal coloring book for kids. Goes with dog, cat, sloth, horse, llama, bear, and many more. So on every single page you can choose animal you're interested in, because sometimes it's hard to find many cute designs with similar patterns. It's better to choose few dogs, few foxes, few cats, and so on. In this case, it's pretty easy to create an interesting coloring book. So the main idea is that you can create any book you want. You just need to go and understand what kind of book you need to create to get some sales. Then you just need to create an interesting design. And my advice for you will be to use some interesting details on every your page. So if you pick up some dog design, add some details like grass, like balls, like dog house, and something else. If you pick some koala, let's get some more trees on the picture, and so on. In this case, your book will stand out among the other competitors. The best experience you will give your customers, the more review you get. The more review you get, the more chance to reach this $6,000 per month on your book. If you're interested in Canva website, I leave the link below this video. If it was an interesting information, then give me a thumb button. If not, leave the comment below this video and tell me why. If you're interested how to find such profitable book, then go to this video. In this video I will tell you everything how I finding such kind of books. Thanks for watching and hope I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.